Have you ever stood in front of an ATM, needing cash or to make a deposit, and wondered what intricate dance of technology allows that machine to instantly process your request? It seems like magic, doesn't it? Just insert a card, punch in a few numbers, and out comes money, or your check disappears into the slot, instantly credited to your account. But behind that seemingly simple interaction lies a sophisticated network of hardware, software, and security protocols designed to make your financial life easier and safer. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on a specific type of ATM that's gaining traction, the Patriot Banker ATM. Now, you might be thinking, aren't all ATMs pretty much the same? And to a certain extent, yes, they share fundamental principles. But Patriot Banker ATMs often incorporate features and philosophies that set them apart, aiming to provide not just transactional convenience, but also a more robust and sometimes even a more personal banking experience. We're going to dive deep into exactly how these machines work, from the moment you insert your card to the final transaction confirmation, exploring the unique technologies that power them, the layers of security safeguarding your money, and even a glimpse into what the future holds for this evolving banking tool. So, let's start with the basics. At its core, any ATM, including a Patriot Banker ATM, is a specialized computer terminal that allows customers to perform basic banking functions without needing to interact directly with a human teller. Think of it as a mini bank branch, always open, always ready to serve. The anatomy of a Patriot Banker ATM, more than just a box. A Patriot Banker ATM isn't just a simple cash dispenser. It's a complex piece of machinery with several key components working in harmony. First, there's the card reader. This is where your debit or credit card is inserted. Patriot Banker ATMs, like most modern ATMs, primarily use EMV chip technology. This isn't just a magnetic stripe anymore. The embedded microchip on your card encrypts your transaction data, making it significantly harder for fraudsters to counterfeit your card or steal your information through skimming devices. When you insert your card, the chip interacts with the ATM's reader, authenticating your card and initiating the secure communication process. Next, you interact with the keypad and touchscreen display. The keypad is where you enter your personal identification number, or PIN. This 4-digit code is your digital signature, confirming to the system that you are the legitimate cardholder. The touchscreen, on the other hand, is your interface for navigating the ATM's menu, selecting your desired transaction, be it a withdrawal, deposit, balance inquiry, or even a transfer. The graphics are designed to be intuitive, guiding you through each step. Hidden within the machine are the dispenser and acceptor modules. The dispenser is the mechanical marvel that precisely counts and dispenses cash, usually in various denominations, upon your request. The acceptor module, on the other hand, handles deposits. For cash deposits, it meticulously counts and verifies the authenticity of each bill, detecting counterfeits or suspicious currency. For check deposits, it scans the check, capturing all relevant information, and often provides an immediate image of the deposited check on your receipt. Patriot Banker ATMs are often equipped with smart ATM capabilities, meaning they provide instant acknowledgement of cash and check deposits and can offer faster funds availability, which is a significant convenience over traditional ATMs that might hold your deposit for a day or two. Crucially, every Patriot Banker ATM is connected to a secure network. This network is the lifeline that links the ATM to the bank's central servers. When you initiate a transaction, the ATM sends your request, encrypted for security, through this network to the bank's processing system. This system verifies your account balance, processes the transaction, and sends a confirmation back to the ATM, all in a matter of seconds. The transaction process, a step-by-step breakdown. Let's walk through a typical transaction at a Patriot Banker ATM, say, a cash withdrawal. Card insertion and authentication. You insert your Patriot debit card into the EMV card reader. The ATM reads the chip, establishing a secure, encrypted connection. PIN entry. The touchscreen prompts you to enter your PIN using the keypad. This is a critical security step. Your PIN is never stored on the card itself, nor is it directly transmitted over the network in plain text. Instead, it's used to generate an encrypted code that is sent to the bank for verification against the PIN stored in their secure database. Transaction selection. Once your PIN is verified, the main menu appears. You select withdrawal. Amount selection. You then choose or manually enter the desired withdrawal amount. Bank system interaction. The ATM sends a request to the Patriot Bank's central system. This request includes your card details, the desired amount, and the encrypted PIN verification. Account balance check. The bank system checks your account balance to ensure sufficient funds are available for the withdrawal. It also verifies your daily withdrawal limits. Approval and dispensing. If the funds are available and the transaction is within your limits, the bank system approves the withdrawal. This approval is sent back to the ATM. The cash dispenser then counts out the requested amount from its internal cash cassettes. Cash delivery and receipt. The cash is presented to you through the dispenser slot. Simultaneously, a receipt is printed detailing the transaction, including the date, time, amount, and your new balance. Patriot Banker ATMs, like many modern ATMs, also offer the option for digital receipts sent via email or text, promoting environmental friendliness. Card return. Finally, your card is ejected from the reader, signaling the completion of the transaction. Deposits follow a similar, yet slightly different, path. When depositing cash, the acceptor module takes your bills, scans them, verifies authenticity, and then electronically credits your account. For checks, the machine images the check and transmits the data to the bank for processing, often providing quicker access to funds than traditional paper check processing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.